Good day everyone, this is Hurobo language. Ebere re Hurobo. Let's say something about language in Hurobo. Ebere onye ụka rewovuge ikwo ve ansa ayenure. That is, language is an identity to know people and where they come from. Ebere re aware degwu konye ansare aware nure jibru kufia. That is, if our language is lost, then the place we come from is lost also. Okore mamore aware daje ebere re ikwofa je ore awariwo ve evure uto re aware nure. That is, it is wrong that if we are speaking other people's language than our own language in the land we come from. Egbeje ese mo ve iniemo ve evere ranye ta ota ve evure inwemi ranye rere anabo je evere ranye ke emona jiyunu anyị obore se ve resio kidie ekeyonu emona evere re oyibo ve isikuru re anyị ra. That is, let fathers and mothers use their language to speak in their homes so that they can teach their children, also teach them how to speak and write, because they will teach the children how to speak English in their respective school.